Hi and welcome to this short video which is going to show you how to log in and create a quick project on the Grafixdesk software. Go to the URL and type in grafixdesk.co.za. You'll be taken to our main welcome page where there's some details about the desk, but we're looking for the login to Grafixdesk. Click here. Using a username and password that you've been emailed, enter these details there and click the login box. You will have no projects. Menus at the top. Create a new project, click new. Now let's give our project a name. My first project. Click submit. This will load and take you to your main page where you will see your project. Click on your project and you have no drawings loaded. So we have the option of deleting, but we want to actually browse and put a floor plan in. Bitmaps, JPEGs and PNGs are all supported. We just find one from our folders, add it and press the upload button. We now have our first floor plan. Before we can get started, we need to scale our floor plan. So click the blue cog. This will now show us our floor plan. If we press the starting point and we're going to use a single doorway to scale, we're going to press it on one side of the doorway, click the end point and locate that. Now go up to the calculate button. The red line will show you how long it thinks 10 meters is, and we can press submit. We now go back to the project and we can start plotting our devices. Press the green button to take us to our plotting page. Choose our devices. Here I've smoke detector. You'll see it's active, it's flashing, and we can go around and wherever we press on the page it will locate a device for us. And to go around and plot a few of these before going and selecting a call point. Put some of these on our drawings. You see the call point is now the active icon and flashing whilst the smoke detectors aren't. Some sounders. And let's not forget our fire panel, which we're going to put just behind reception. Okay, we can now have a look at our coverage by collecting the detector coverage. Using our 10 meter scale, it automatically calculates where it thinks our detectors are covering based on a smoke detector's coverage pattern. We can now click and fill in the few gaps on the corridors because we're trying to do protection on the corridors of this building whilst our coverage pattern is switched on. Once we're finished, we can switch that off and have a look at MCP coverage. Obviously we'll see there's more than enough MCPs, and we can also have a look at the 65 decibels coverage, so we've got adequate sounders within the building. Now we can go finish. Obviously you can have multiple floor plans, but we've only got one here. Let's click on just this one's bill of quantities and let's produce a bill of quantities. It'll go away and count our icons and show us our result there. At this moment we have the option of them pricing, or not pricing, but viewing the Zyton build list. It will give us all the Zyton part numbers and provide us a QR code to take us to our SMS quoting tool if you have this option. It'll also show us a loop calculation on how much load and how many loops are required for our fire panel. And that is our bill of quantities done. If we go back to the project, we can click on the plot icon. This will open a new window and it's automatically sized and given border. Our 10 meter scales on there, our icons are there, our drawing reference, all the details about our drawing, when it was printed, who printed it, and later on you'll see how you get your company logo and terms and conditions on that drawing as well. In the legend it only has the items that are in the drawing, so we don't have busy legends, and in brackets it shows the total quantity of the drawing of each of these items. If we go to print, on the print preview you see it automatically scales it perfectly to your paper for you. We can close that window and go back to the main Grafixdesk software, and if we go home We can see a list of our projects where we get to our projects at any time. And if we want to log out, we can simply log out by pressing the log out button. Thank you for watching.